In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, style, position, and animate captions for Instagram in Adobe Premiere Pro. If your audience often watches with the sound off, captions can be the difference between a quick scroll and a full watch. We'll keep this simple, clear, and tailored for vertical Instagram videos so your text looks great on any phone. First, create your captions track. In Premiere Pro, open the window menu and choose text to bring up the text panel, then switch to the captions area and click Create New Captions Track. This generates a dedicated captions layer in your timeline ready for your words. Think of it as the container that will hold all your text clips throughout the edit, keeping everything organized and easy to manage. Next, start typing your captions. In the text panel, enter the lines you want, and they'll appear as caption segments you can place on the timeline. Drag each segment to match the moment it's spoken and trim the edges so the timing feels natural. Aim for short, punchy phrases, 1 or 2 lines at most, so your audience can read them quickly without missing the visuals. If you need to adjust, you can always refine the timing by nudging the edges or using the playhead to preview. Now, style your captions so they feel at home on Instagram. Open the Essential Graphics panel, select a caption clip, and choose a bold, highly legible font with a size that reads easily on small screens. Pick bright on-brand colors and consider adding emojis sparingly to reinforce tone or emphasis. For readability, add a subtle stroke or a semi-transparent background so your text stands out against busy footage. Keep your style consistent across all captions to create a polished, cohesive look. Let's position the captions for vertical viewing. With your text selected, use the alignment tools to place it in the center or the lower third. In 9:16 videos, that's where viewers expect to find it, and it keeps the message clear without blocking key visuals. Always check the safe areas and avoid covering faces, essential graphics, or on-screen actions your audience needs to see. Finally, add optional animation for a dynamic Instagram feel. In Effect Controls, set simple keyframes to fade captions in and out, or use position keyframes to create a quick pop or slide. Keep animations snappy and consistent so they enhance the message without distracting from it. That's it. Create, type, style, position, and optionally animate. With these steps, your captions will look clean, on